Di perlok ya ki latest update jongga COVID-19 posted Meghalaya borong idon sanpo ki borong aktif kilong inyo ligi kes ki belajem kilong saufu arngut ki bala fatas do menta ki bayo negatif kilong khat prahajar terus pak san punyo bad ki total of testing bagi ba pha baro ban test do menta kilong khat khandai hajar aspa provinyo kabangi dang ap iga result jongga test kilong san spa propo bad kitu bon fine sabar jongga state ado menta kilong khat prahajar paspa arfulai tekini gide ki break up jong ki positive cases suppose state Meghalaya po East Kasil sidon Southwest Garo Hills sidon R but hari boy iwe ini gide ki update jong COVID-19 po state of Meghalaya.
See, meeting after meeting by the government officials, by health department with the concerned commanding officers, whatever, instruction has been given, and then not only instructions, even while entering the state, they have to come by the government offices, means arranged by the paramilitary forces themselves, and then while entering they have to also go for quarantine mandatorily. They have to go for quarantine. So see, right now, in fact, the spread is not that much because the contact also is very less, very, very slim. As I said to you, the moment they entered Meghalaya, because you know the system is already in place, be it even Chief Minister himself, he has to go for quarantine ultimately to make sure that spread does not take place.